Hanap ka ng kuan.
So, ang among pag-ibali i-present man ninyo inyong gibuhat. Pinaagi gihapon siya sa dog race o spin the wheel. So, group ko ni siya kung kisay mag-present sa ilaha. O, doon ka buok. Ano mo niya ang group 2? Go!
The spinning motion of the dynamo made the bulb light up. So kung dili nimo to siya i-spin, wala siga na may tabo. So spinning is very important so that it will ignite. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Ito naman sa observation sa station 2. And the question is the light bulb turn on and off? So, if so, you need it turn on and on. So, yes, they turn on siya and off. The bulb turn on and on, especially when the time that the rubber band has attached to the dynamo to the cardboard. So, it happens to that okay. So, the dynamo ang tanong tungkol sa dynamo because of the pag-iyaw sa dynamo sa electrons or ato, something like that, is na-move sa rubber weightage. Ito, ikanang ito, padulong sa light bulb so that ma-on-off yung yeah. Then yes, the brightness of the bulb change when you spin the dynamo and circular cardboard faster than light is brighter than it is. So, one nila kay inverse proportional, we're not sure about that, but one of our observation. I'm very good guys. Yeah, I get it.
Thank you, everyone. So, our learning objective for today's discussion: define what is generator, analyze the two types of generator, mechanical energy and electrical energy, and identify the practical application of electric generators in various industries and everyday life. So, kailan mo ano no? Yes, generator. Di ba kadto nag-run out diri sa liyang ka, ang mga nagdagsag yun ang mga dyan diri asalan. So it's because diri sila mag-charge na ay source of energy ang lanso. Mao na mong topic karon. A generator produces electrical energy from mechanical work, which is just opposite of what the motor does. A motor uses electricity to make movement, and a generator uses movement to make electricity. They do opposite job. Who can simplify this graphic? Ano siya ba? Pinaagi sa pagtanaw ninyo. Libas.
So, may pag na-ay movement dito na nasa dynamo, it turns one convert sa into energy which can spin the and also na-ay movement na mas masulta.
Do you agree, Mr. Alteo?
Okay, ano?
Yes, I agree. So, parang sa experiment mo kanina, di ba, sa by station na, with the movement of yung sa may dynamo is, doon siya mag-create ng electricity, hindi lang yung
Yes, Mr. Ang ano siya? Di ba ang topic kay generator?
Yes.
Tapos ang motor, gigamitan siya o electricity para na siya yung movement.
Yes.
Tama?
Tama.
Yes. Ang generator, gamitan ko siya movement at is serve or produce of electricity. So, balik sila. Opposite sila o trabaho. Kira, ang motor, gamitan ng electricity para na yung movement. Ang generator, gamitan ko siya movement para makaproduce of electricity. So later on, isa-isa na-discuss sa mga station para inyo pag yung mas masagdan. And that would be all. Thank you. Okay, good afternoon everyone. Once again, I'm Sheila Megadiera, and I'm going to discuss the Station 1, and the Station 1 is consist of direct current generator. But first, let me define what is direct current generator. A direct current generator is a device that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy in the form of direct current. So as you observe in the Station 1, di ba, ang diri sa Station 1, ang diri sa kaning serve niyo siya as motor. Kung sa ganitong motor, kung sa purpose sa motor, okay, very good. So, ang kaning sa battery, nala siya kaning ang potential electricity which is na-store battery. Kay need man sa motor o electricity para maka-create ng movement, gigamitan siya o battery. And then, pag i-on mo siya, makaproduce na siya o mechanical work, di ba? Mo-spin siya, gamit ang rubber band, ang kanyang generator, need sa generator? Need sa generator of movement or electrical movement, mechanical movement to generate electricity. Opposite ang iyang trabaho. And then, if ever, ato aning i-remove ang rubber band, di ba? As you observe sa activity kanina, i-remove ang rubber band, still nga nag-function siya ng all but wala nag-light ang bulb. Kaya na wala nag-light ang bulb. Raise your hand. Hi, Jessa. Okay, very good. So that, may nagtamoy ng kapuan, may di ba, maay fall of wire na kata dito sa ilalong. So, kato siya, kato, kuan ka ng community yun na na-create, ito i-pass through the coil of wire. Asa ipasa? Coil of wire. Okay. So, pagpasa niya ng suwa, dito na tayo flow ang electricity. Muna tayo siya, may nagkata ng kamay sa community. Wow!
temperature is